When you're young, adventure feels like it could be anywhere. A hidden trail, a map, a place no one else knows about. You don't need much, just a little imagination and somewhere to explore. Life gets busy. The weeks get longer. The days start to blur together. And before you know it, you're spending more time looking at screens than looking at the world around you. After a long week in the city, you start to realize how rare it is to really slow down, to be present with the people who matter most. So on the weekends, we go searching for treasure.
One, two, three, go!
And somehow, out here, the days feel a little longer, the air feels quieter, the conversations last a little longer, the little moments feel bigger. The kind of place where nobody's in a rush, where dinner turns into stories, where an afternoon turns into an adventure, where memories happen without even realizing it. The funny thing about treasure is that when you're young, you think it's something you find, but as you get older, you realize it's something you feel. A place, a moment, the people you're sharing it with. And maybe that's the real treasure after all. A hidden escape, a place to reconnect, a place to explore, a place to remember what matters, just outside Toronto.